Using one of the substances that we're clearing from the patient from the test vial kits, muscle test the patient for this clearing. The patient should test weak. If the test vial is not one that we have pre-made, then request that a special order needs to be made with head office. Use the vial and make sure that it has been circussed or tapped 20 times. Locate the vial on top of the machine and depress the start button on the laser pen. It is important that you mark down using the system that you're using the items we are clearing from the patient to the next items we are clearing as well with an N colon. You are to leave the pen light onto the patient's specific spot for 20 seconds. Upon hearing the 20-second timer, it is time to move on to a different spot. Then press the button to activate the timer again. The following lists the points to clear: GV20, LI20, GV26, CV24, KI27, SP21, LI11, LU5, LI4, special point opposite TW1, SP10, SP9, ST36, SP6, LR3, SP1, ST45, BL67, and KI1. And by sweeping the entire body from GV3 to GV26 3 times, and from CV4 to CV24 3 times. Using the substance that we are clearing from the patient, muscle test the patient for this clearing. The patient should now test strong. If the patient continues testing weak, place the light pen on the special point opposite TW1 for 20 seconds on both hands. Place the light pen onto SP9 for 20 seconds on both legs. Now retest the patient, and if she still tests weak, then repeat the above 2 steps. There are times when a patient has to spend more than once with us to clear the same substances. If in this case, because we have already cleared the patient of the offending substance once, it is not necessary to do it alone. Ask the body whether the existing substance and the next substance can be cleared at the same time. If it says yes, then do it.